Hello everyone, welcome to our Introduction to Linguistic final project. In this final project, we analyze the social linguistic aspect of the Indonesian horror comedy film Agak Lain, which released in year 2024. My name is Lovina and my group mates are Karina, Angie, and Vio. We chose this film because its cast, Benedion, Oki Rengga, Boris Bokir, and Indra Jegel, brings diverse linguistic backgrounds, making it an excellent source for testing language variation. Our analysis will cover three core social linguistic concepts: standard versus non standard varieties, regional versus social dialects, and code switching.
The first aspect is standard versus non-standard varieties. The standard variety is the codified or formal version of a language, while the non-standard variety is common in informal conversation, often including slang. The first example is when Jongki talked to Bedul at a carnival. Jongki said that, "Ramai betul tempatmu." This is the concrete example of non-standard form. This non-standard form, due to the use of betul, which means true or correct, as the word of very or really. And so, the standard form can be tempatmu sangat ramai. The second example is when Mamak said to Oki, "Mendingan kau pakai uangmu untuk urus makam." This non-standard form due to word choice mendingan, because mendingan is not a formal word in Indonesia. So, the standard form can be, lebih baik kamu menggunakan uangmu untuk mengurus makam.
Kau bikin apa di sini?
Regional versus social dialects. Regional dialects are determined by geography, while social dialects or socialects are determined by social parameters, such as social class or education. When the characters played by Ari said, "Kau bikin apa di sini?" He was meaning by that is actually, "What are you doing in here?" In Indonesia, people who use that dialect is usually people from Eastern Indonesia's region, like Nusa Tenggara, Maluku, or Papua. Instead of sedang melakukan apa, they shorten into bikin apa. Well, for others, variety is for my language is Daya Pandu language. Mungoni Tingoto is same like what Ari said.
Speaker, maksudnya speakernya mati.
Next is social dialects. We found some example of using social dialects in these scenes. When the actor said, speakernya mati. Speaker is mean pengeras suara in Indonesian. It adapts from the English vocabulary speaker. This vocabulary is common among low-class Indonesian people because pengeras suara sometimes felt too long to be said, and some low-class Indonesian cannot afford some better education too.
Code switching is the change in style, variety of language based on sociolinguistic factors. For example, conversational between partner, topic, or setting. The example that Oki said to his younger sister is, "Kau mandi sana." The analysis is a very informal and direct style using the pronoun kau, which is common in his regional variety. The motivation is context of intimacy and authority over a young siblings where formality is unnecessary. The another example that Oki said to his mother is, "Mak, Mama tanda tangan di sini ya, Mak." The analysis is delivered politely and slowly, using the respectful term "Mama" and a hesitant request "Ya" or "Okay." So the motivation is the need to show respect and deference to an older figure. The conclusion is the change in style from direct command to polite request is a clear case of internal code switching motivated by social relations.
Agak Lain is a linguistically rich text film demonstrating the reality of Indonesian language use by blending standard, non-standard, regional, and social varieties through constant code switching. The scriptwriter and director Muhatkli Acho made this movie greatly, with so many cultural backgrounds and showing the reality of Indonesian diverse life, packed with great horror and comedies. That's all from us. Thank you very much. We hope that our presentation really helps you guys. See you!